Hello, good morning everyone. So we are here for our group presentation of module 7044 SL Global Operations. So we are six members in our group. Me, Jasleen Kaur. Second member of our group is Veerpal Kaur, Jaspreet Kaur, Jobanpreet Kaur, Kirandeep Kaur, and last member of our group is Anubala. So our group welcome you in our group presentation. So today, me and my teammates will explore how Delta Airlines can leverage lean production principles to enhance operational efficiency and boost customer satisfaction. So I'm moving further on to a slide 2 now, which is all about agenda. Agenda for today's presentation is brief introduction of lean production, its historical evaluation, lean production in Delta Airlines with its benefits, challenges, and opportunities. Along with this, we discuss mitigation, strategies to cope up with these challenges, and finally, summaries with the conclusion and recommendation. So let's dive into how lean production can help Delta achieve these goals. So this was all about my second slide. I'm moving further on to a slide 3 now, which is all about introduction. So let's start with the introduction. Success in the dynamic and competitive aviation industry of today depends critically on both operational effectiveness and customer satisfaction. Therefore, it is becoming more and more important for the airline industry, such as Delta Airlines, to implement lean production principles in order to maintain Delta's leadership position in the aviation industry, increase operational efficiency, and boost customer satisfaction. We will examine the possible advantages of implementing lean production within the airline in this presentation. So this was all about slide 3. Now moving further on to a slide 4. If we talk about the historical evaluation of lean, the Toyota production system, which Toyota invented in post-World War II Japan, is where lean production got its start. Lean concepts have developed and broadened beyond manufacturing over time, finding use in a variety of global industries, including aviation. The way lean has developed historically demonstrates how flexible and successful it is at promoting operational excellence and ongoing development. So, understanding Lean's historical development gives Delta Airlines important insights into its potential uses and advantages in the aviation industry. So, this was all about my slides for. I have discussed all of my slides. Now, my another teammate Veerpal Kaur will discuss her slides. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Veerpal Kaur. Now I'm going to discuss slide number 5. Well, what is basically the lean production? The management idea known as lean production, which focuses on cutting waste and increasing value, was developed from the Tokyo production system. It places a strong emphasis on providing customers with superior value, employee involvement, and ongoing improvements. Well, lean concepts provide a methodical way to improve operations, streamline workflows, and ultimately give customers a better travel experience when applied to Delta Airlines. Moving further, Delta can attain improvement level of customer satisfaction and operational excellence by getting rid of waste and inefficiencies. Now I'm moving to next slide where I will discuss significance of lean in aviation. Moreover, high customer expectations, intense competition, and complex operation define the aviation industry. Lean concepts are essential in this situation for promoting service excellence and operational efficiency. Airlines such as Delta can improve service quality, save cost, and streamline their processes by implementing lean practices. With lean, airlines can increase client loyalty and profitability by reducing delays, improving overall passenger experience, and achieving faster turnaround times. This was all about my 2 slides. Now my next team member will discuss her slide. Thank you.
Good morning, this is Jaspreet speaking here. I will be discussing slide number 7. We have chosen Delta Airlines for our presentation. So let's get overview of Delta Airlines. One of the biggest and most respected airlines in the world is Delta Airlines, which has its headquarters in Atlanta, Georgia. Delta is praised for its dedication to operational efficiency and customer service, and it has a strong network that covers more than 300 destinations across more than 50 countries. With its large fleet and global presence, the airline has established itself as a leader in the airline industry. Delta's primary goal are to facilitate economic growth, connect people and cultures, and offer the millions of passengers a smooth travel experience every year. Delta continues to shape the future of airline by setting high standards for customer satisfaction, safety, and dependability. The business has always been innovative. Adopting lean principle provide Delta with a strategic chance to improve operations even more, guaranteeing excellence and efficiency in all facets of its services. Now I am moving to slide number 8, in which I will be discussing current challenges faced by Delta Airlines. Delta Airlines encounters various operational challenges that affect its competitiveness and overall performance. So I will be discussing first point, long turnaround times. Lengthy flight intervals result in lower aircraft's utilization, higher operating expenses, and fewer available flights. Second point is inconsistent service quality. Variability in service quality can lead to unhappy customers, which harms reputation and brand loyalty. Third is high operational cost. The airline faces financial strain due to its significant maintenance, fuel, and labor expenses, which calls for the implementation of cost management strategic. Third is complex logistics. Coordinating and managing an extensive network of flights and destinations demands effective logistics, which is a never ending task. Next is technological upgrades. Constant investment is required to stay abreast of technological developments in order to improve customer experience and operational efficiency. Last but not the least is regulatory compliance. Handling various regulatory frameworks in several nations complicates Delta's business operations. Now, my next teammate, Jobanpreet, will explain slide number 9.
Hello everyone, my name is Jobanpreet Kaur. I'm going to explain slide number 9. In this slide, I am talking about the benefits of lean in Delta Airlines. There are several advantages that Delta Airlines can wrap up by implementing lean principles. Delta can significantly increase operating efficiency and cut costs by simplifying procedures and getting rid of waste. Reduced flights durations allow for higher aircraft utilization and income production. Maintaining a high standard of service quality increase client happiness and loyalty, which boosts sales and market share. Lean methods also foster an innovative and continuous improvement culture, which will ultimately boost Delta's long-term success. So moving on to the next slide, slide number 10. Here are some challenges of lean adoption in Delta Airlines. Although lean offers numerous benefits, implementing lean principle in an organization, the scale and complexity of Delta Airlines presents a number of challenges. First one is a resistance to change among employees. Resistance from staff to change could hinder the success of lean initiatives since they may be comfortable to the current process. Next one is expensive implementation cost at first. High initial implementation costs, such as those associated with system upgrade and training, financially impede adoption. Third one is perpetual learning and enhancement. Lean methodologies necessitate continuous expenditure in training and development to guarantee staff involvement and dedication to continuous enhancement. Fourth one is integration difficulty across Delta's numerous operations, including departments and foreign sites. Integrating lean concept can be challenging and complex. Next is cultural shift. It can be challenging to inculcate employee empowerment and continuous empowerment throughout the entire organization. Last one is countering for and maintaining enhancement. Management commitment and strong monitoring system are necessary to guarantee that improvements are long-term, measurable, and sustainable. So this is all my slides, and now my next teammate, Kirandeep Kaur, going to discuss her slides. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Kendip Kaur, as I'm going to discuss on slide 11, in which I will discuss about the strength, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats of SWOT analysis. As a first, I would like to talk about the strengths as the operational efficiency. Lean concepts emphasizes waste elimination and process optimization, which leads to considerable increase in operational efficiency in Delta. Second one is the cost reduction. By identifying and removing inefficiencies, Lean can reduce operational costs like as maintenance, fuel, and labor. And the third one is the enhanced customer satisfaction. Simplified operations and consistent services quality can boost customer satisfaction, resulting in increased loyalty and a strong brand reputation of airline. Secondly, I would like to talk about the weaknesses as the high initial cost, system upgrades, training, and process redesign can all add up to a significant cost for lean implementation. And the second one is the complex integration. Integrating lean principles across division and foreign operations can be complicated and difficult. Ongoing commitment requirement is the third one. To maintain progress, lean demands regular investments in training, development, and procedure monitoring. Another one I'm talking about the opportunities. Into first one is the industry best practice. As the observing effective lean implementations, different airlines and sectors might provide useful insights and techniques. Second is the regulatory compliance. Improving operational efficiency and standardizing process can help comply with regulatory frameworks. And the last one is the market expansion. Improved efficiency and cost reduction allows Delta to grow into new market and destination. And the I'm talking about the threats as employee resistance to change, because employees may be accused to present methods. Their resistance to change may impede the effectiveness of lean projects. And the another one is the long-term consistency, in which rapid technical developments can make it difficult to maintain long-term consistency in lean procedures. Now I am moving to slide number 12, in which I will discuss about the lean implementation strategy. As the Delta airline needs to take a strategic approach that is appropriate for its organization context in order to successfully apply lean concepts. This strategy entails value stream mapping to pinpoint inefficiencies and waste, involving the staff members at all levels in procedure and putting pilot projects into action to show off lean's advantage in practical settings. As in order to strengthen the capacities and guarantee the long-term visibility to lean practices, Delta should also make investment in the training and development of its workforce. So that's all about from my side. Now my another team member will discuss on slide 13.
Hello, my name is Anu Bala. My slide is mitigation strategies for potential issues. Delta Airlines can use mitigating techniques like stakeholder engagement, change management, and effective communication to address possible obstacles to learn adoption. Through employee participation in the decision-making process and transparent explanation of the advantage of lean, Delta can reduce resistance to change and gain support from important stakeholders. To ensure long-term success and get past implementation obstacles, it's also critical to develop a true training program and secure funding and resources for lean initiatives. Delta should also keep a close eye on the implementation process and assesses it on a regular basis, adjusting as needed to maintain progress and enhance operations going forward. Next slide, please. Slide 4 is about example of successful lean implementation in aviation. Delta Airlines can learn a lot from observing successful lean implementations in the aviation sector, such as Southwest Airlines. Because of its dedication to lean principles, Southwest Airlines has significantly increased customer satisfaction, reduced cost, and improved operational efficiency. So, with the help of other airlines' experiences, Delta can find best practices and lessons learned to guide its own lean implementation strategy and promote long term operational improvements. Next slide. Yeah. This slide is about conclusion and recommendations. So, finally, Delta Airlines can maintain a competitive edge in the airline sector, increase customer satisfaction, and optimize operational efficiency by implementing lean production. So, Delta can significantly improve its operational and establish itself as a pioneer in service excellence and innovation by adopting lean principles and taking proactive measures to address possible obstacles. For sustained success and ongoing improvement, we advise implementing lean in stages, beginning with pilot projects and progressively expanding efforts. Next slide. This slide is about our references. So these are some references from where we got this information. Next slide. Thank you for listening the presentation, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask us. Thank you.